What is going on, y'all? We are going to ILDS in Ybor City, Tampa. You guys already know. I love driving slow. Not really all the time. I like the adrenaline rush, being a speed racer in my slow car. It's like we oblige by all traffic rules and laws. We don't break the laws, we follow speed limits, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today and every single day. Taking out the rebuild here. Yep. It's a beautiful day. We washed up the TSXs. Stay tuned for all these videos. And we have made it to Ybor City. Almost was able to park right there, which is basically on the strip, just right out the blocked off zone. It would have been nice, even though my car is not that worthy. Here we are, another year, some more lovely cars and vibes. Something like this, like a little go-kart would be f***ing sick. This is like a grown-up go-kart, animated right-hand drive. Gotta show some love to the VIP boys, the Acura. Even though it's a TL Type S or just a TL, regardless, still gotta show a lot of love. Exodus. We're through leaving. You're leaving? Got all the clubs on the side. Free energy while you haven't eaten anything today. Damn, look, imagine this thing pulling up to you. But we made it to the end, y'all. We're getting our steps in. So everywhere you go here, you smell a little bit of cigars, a little bit of weed, a little bit of cats on shoulders, dogs everywhere. A little bit of everything, all these vendors. With y'all, final destination shit over there, man. I'm in the front one, you in the back. Recording him, recording somebody, recording. Free drinks. Got a little bit of everything here, man. Got the Dadmobile. Got all the Nissans that you can think of, GTRs, Skylines, all that shit. I think he needs a little bit more liquid Molly though, because he was smoking a lot. It's crazy how much more open it is in the middle here, given maybe some people are leaving, but like everyone feels like it's probably too hot and they're off on the sides right now, scurried off. So always gotta come to the side parking lots and shit. Sounds pretty good. I spy my little eye. 3 TSXs chilling over there, a little Arizona can. What up?
Back there.
Yellow on the TSX looks fire. And we got my TSX, the rebuild. She's looking a little hurt in the front end, obviously still. Gotta get a new bumper, a grill for her. It should be solid, you know, solid. Yeah. She look different fender colors, or I just repaint those, whatever, we'll figure it out. Both cars that are driving need tires. Cause I was gonna go look at my exhaust leak that's going on, cause it just got louder on this car. And lo and behold, I'm missing a whole bolt from my test pipe to the exhaust. So yeah, that's exactly why it's extra rowdy and annoying. And then I also lifted my car and seen how bad these tires are. Look at these Johns, dude, holy shit. Bad. And the other side just has like a sliver. These tires were already giving me issues when I bought them new and got alignment stuff at the same time with the daily, which is now practically back to stock. I've done taking everything off and shit. I've been running those wheels on this car, you know, here and there or whatever. And this car doesn't have an alignment. We gotta get more Rish, so subscribe y'all. Comment, like, share these videos, help us out. Let us get more sponsors. So I was like, alright, this is good, we're good here. All this is tight. And I'm missing the bolt there. I was like, yep, that's exactly my issue. I also think I need to replace this axle, get a little lifetime warranty action going on, I believe, at O'Reilly's. But yeah, otherwise this car is pretty solid. But now as I start looking at tires to replace this, and I might go a little bit meatier this time with these, because with the Tesla wheels I feel like it'll look a little bit better. I think these are 225/40. I should have probably went like 245/45 or like 235/45 maybe. Just kind of have a little bit of a meatier look. We'll see. Boink. So we're doing a little bit of problem solving. We're finding a set of wheels that have a lot better tires and tread. Two different set of tires, but same size, so it's gonna be all right. What's up, y'all? We are back out here with the TSXs doing some things per usual. We got to take these BC Racings off, and then we're putting them on to the white TSX and swapping in some teens that we took off of the daily, because we're bringing that back to stock, which we done took off a lot of parts. There's a few little things that I gotta do, but more focus on this stuff, and then also this wheel and tire situation. These things are shot, dude. Shot. Thankfully we have, I'm pretty sure, replacements for the daily. These just need new tires, and we just gotta get alignment ASAP. But we gotta start taking parts off and get this shit going. Alright, we got one coil out, and also an axle. Alright, so we got the other side out in a jiffy. We gotta come over here and see what goodies we have lying. Dun, 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 dun. We got some rear Megan upper camber arms, hybrid racing short shifter, progress for a sway bar, which I feel like this is probably an extra one now. Got some eBay short shifter that I got for the rebuild that I gotta put on still. So yeah, we got projects, we got things. Alright, so we got a little bit of a difference here. Let's see that. I want to say these are maxed out, the lowest, but I almost want to say it's not. TGIF tomorrow, man. It's 10:30. 10:30. Oh, look, my doggos. But we just got done putting in the rear coils after taking a little bit of break. Going doing something else, picking up compressor from the in-laws because we gotta pump up the tires and do a bunch of swap-a-roo. I might have to end up putting these white wheels onto this car because it's just, things are shot. Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. Happy motherfucking Friday. I got my tools with me, some different shoes and such, because we gotta hit the junkyard after work and try to get some parts. Made it to the junkyard right after work. This thing is 1.5 miles away, like 5-8 minutes. Oh, and look, showtime is right there. Probably heavier bag than I need. We're over here at the junkyard right after work. This thing, one of them at least. So of course I don't have the right size socket. It needs like a 21 or 20 mil, and I got a 22. So we got it out, but man, am I oily as shit now. I have no rags, and I'm trying to figure out if this is like OEM assembly or not. Kind of hard to tell. All right, y'all. So we kind of got everything we needed out of that. Just get a little bit of extra shit, another sensor, just in case. And I'm trying to look at what I screenshotted. We're gonna go to the CRV, row 12. Where are we at now? Why doesn't it say on the side? What rows are these? Perfect. 09 CRV, of course. The table got tooketh. Someone definitely came over here and checked. Like, that table here? Looks like the interior's pretty decent. This thing's kind of cool. So we just pulled another one out of this CRV. What a pain in the ass, dude. Alright, so we kind of finished up over there. Oh, look at that, another Accord. I don't even think that was on the bus. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We in the daily. Guess what? No check engine light. The junkyard run was success. Oil pressure switch from, I think, the CRV ended up working. So first one I used was great. And yeah, so I cleaned that out, installed it right away. No check engine light. And oddly enough, VSA and traction control was triggered because of that as well. And yeah, now we have VTEC and the car's feeling like extra peppy, I guess. I don't know, it just feels better in VTEC right now. So we're going down to Siesta Key, Sarasota. We're gonna go kayaking for a good part of the day, and then we're gonna come back and handle some more car shit. Last night, I installed the axle that we got onto that car you could probably barely see. We'll come back and finish that up and get the tires situated. 3 of the wheels and like tires ended up taking air and being good, but one of them could not do it. She sent the valve stem inside the thing, so now we're gonna have to take it to like a tire shop or something and just have them do it.
Good morning.
2.7 miles. Keep right at Kayaking.
Kayak tours and rentals. Sun's in and out, blazing. Hey, y'all out there. What's she doing up there? Chilling. Chilling. We're out here. She's making me work twice as hard. Paddling one way, she's doing the other. That's how it goes. Man, we're trying to get to the little beach plot area so we could post up for a little bit, maybe take a quick swim. Made it to somewhere looking lovely. What a workout, y'all.
Woo. The baby over there.
Yeah, that little gappage. I mean, there's like that little beach, like you could post up over there, but it's hard to get to that side. Oh, I wish we had jet skis right now. This is fun. This is dope. My shoulders are cooked though, and my lower back a little bit.
Same.
But hey, we vibing. But this makes me want like some more food. Feels so good walking. Back, y'all. Sunburnt and all from the kayaking. We're doing things. Swapped around the wheels for different tires. So these ones look a little bit beefier and kind of clear up the gap a little bit more, because it went from 205, and then one was 215/40, and these are 215/50s. So the other stock white ones that we're putting on right now onto the rebuild, those are 205s. And one of those tires are actually 215, so it's kind of probably why things are a little bit wonky. One tire didn't hold on there. We had to get a replacement. Then went to tire shop, got a valve stem replaced, and she over here. Look at that, I got my helper helping out. Doing swap-a-roo right now because we got everything swapped over. We got the Team Flex D's in. Looking pretty nice. Not too shabby. I don't think I can go any lower though. Not too shabby. And the daily looks a lot better with a meteor tire, I feel like. OEM style wheels, because it just kind of flows with this black more. And the chrome trim and like Euro R headlights. Just kind of, I don't know, flows better. There's that. White TSX is gonna be put back together here again. We gotta probably do some errands real quick. See how the daily's feeling with the newer, better wheels. Hopefully maybe some things stop, maybe. Some issues, but it's feeling better now with the different pressure switch. So that's good. There's no issues there.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off, rock like